So I have seen lists that have used bullets or numbers instead of tabs. Can we use that with the information here?
You could use tabs, but bullets will stand out a little bit more. And the neat thing is it actually uses tabs with the bullet, and you don't have to set the tab. So I'm going to come in here and highlight the list. You've got all these goals under your mission. And in my home tab, the paragraph grouping, we have bullets right here. Now I click and we get the default bullet. If I click on the drop down, there are other bullet options for me. So I could do like the empty circle, I could do this diamond shaped pattern. You actually have the ability to choose new bullets down here by defining a new bullet, and you can go in and choose a different symbol. And when you click on symbol, there's all sorts of fonts that are just symbols, and you could choose them too. So if you're doing a document that's dealing with monetary information, you could go use a dollar symbol, for example, just find it in the symbols. I'm not going to do that. Typically, your best bet is to stick with the default bullet, this one right here, because it does not detract from the information, but it does draw the eye. Now let's turn on Show Hide. And notice there are tabs set from the bullet to the text. And if you look at our ruler, our indent marker is showing that we have a hanging indent set. So it uses some of the features from indentation and tab stops without you having to go in and do that yourself.
How do you know when I should use a bullet versus a number?
Okay, so let me come back in here and change this. Right next to bulleting is numbers. And notice you have different formats of numbers, or you can do alphabetical or Roman numerals. I'm just going to go with the first one here. And you can go either way. Typically, when I use numbers, it's because I have indicated I'm counting something, like there are steps to a process. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Or if I say I have 5 goals, I might list them that way. But numbers imply that the one that's number 1 is supposed to always be number 1. And number 2 should always be number 2.
Got you.
So unless that's the case, bullets are probably a better choice. Now the other beauty of bullets and numbers is, I'm going to go back to bullets. If I need to add a bullet, let's say that they say, oh, we're missing one of the goals on our mission. I can press enter at the end of the line. Automatically I get a bullet and I can type a new item in our mission. So I'm missing provide opportunities to recycle and repurpose. I'm going to type that in here. Now I have it. If I press enter, I get another bullet. And one of the things that I hear from people sometimes is they're like, well, how do I get rid of that bullet? Of course, I could just come up here and turn it off. Or if I hit enter again, Word recognizes, okay, we're done with the list. Let's go to a line. I don't want that blank line, so I'm going to hit delete to get rid of it. And let's turn off our Show Hide so we get the full effect of our bullets.
Wow, that really makes my information stand out.